Hello and welcome back to second graders to another lesson with Tammy. Today we're going to look at what will life be like in 2045. Let's start with a reading about life in 2045. We're going to read a news report and then let's think about it. So I will read. Please read along. Today, the International Olympic Committee decided to stop the Winter Olympics. It is really hard to see snow or ice anywhere in the world, even on high mountains, because of global warming. According to the committee, the Winter Olympics will never return if the problem of global warming continues. What would the world be like without any snow or ice? How would we have Winter Olympics without it? Which is why they're saying that the Winter Olympics will never return if we don't solve the problem of global warming, because it's too warm for there to be snow or ice, and which you need to do for skiing or snowboarding or ice skating. So let's brainstorm. What will the world be like in 2045? I want you to think about what will students be learning. I mean, will it all be on computers? Will it be on tablets? Will they even go to real schools? Where will people travel to? What will their homes be like? What are cars like? And at the same time, what will disappear? What animals will no longer be on the earth? What areas of the world might be underwater? So I want you to think about, after we finish this video, I want you to think about and brainstorm what do you think the world would be like in 2045? As part of this project, we're going to talk about some of our worries. What are you worried about in the world? Choose a problem that you are worried about. An example in our book for our fourth lesson project is a problem. This problem says food waste. And the solution they suggest is people should not leave food on their plates. I'm worried about the amount of trash in the world. And one of my solutions is making reusable bags out of plastic bottles. So how will I convert this to our project? Let's look at step 4. My problem. I have to think about an idea to solve this problem. My idea is to cut plastic into string. But how does that work? Well, I can use the string to weave it into reusable shopping bags. How does it save the earth? Well, it puts less plastic going into the landfills. So I want you to think about your idea. How will your idea work? I mean, what will you need to do? And then, how does this save the earth? Step 5, produce. So this is the part where you're going to make a drawing and write a short report. So an example in our book is this is called colorful bowls. Students can choose bowls of different sizes. Students who don't want to eat a lot can use the smaller bowls. That way they don't waste much food. So this is one solution for the food waste. I would like you to use this sort of example. Have you ever thought about what it would be like in 2045? I'm worried about What are you worried about? So this is the line that you're going to add your worry. I'm interested in ways to protect our environment. I think we should recycle, reuse, reduce. Why don't we? And this is the line where you're going to put in your idea. May I recommend that we, and this is where you can explain how your idea is going to work. So what does that mean for our environment? It means the goal. What do you think will come of it? We'd better make a change to save our Earth for the future. So I want you to use this dialogue or this report and make me a poster. So here is my idea. I'm going to cut plastic into string, and then I'm going to weave it into reusable shopping bags. So for my report, I would write, have you ever thought about what it will be like in 2045? I'm worried about the amount of trash. I'm interested in ways to protect our environment. I think we should use more reusable things. Why don't we make reusable bags out of plastic bottles? May I recommend that we cut plastic bottles into string and weave it into reusable shopping bags? What does this mean for our environment? It means less plastic going into the landfills, and we get something useful. You'd better make a change to save our Earth for our future. So please give me your reports when I see you again on August 7th. And I'm wishing you all the best of luck in your exams for your finals. So good luck, everyone, and I look forward to seeing you on August 7th.